In a digital-first remote normal world, Zoom is indispensable. Where we know virtual consultations, coaching, webinars, interviews, and support sessions are the new default. But if booking those appointments still feels messy, stick around. Welcome, FluentBooking with Zoom integration. So think about the last time you had to send a Zoom link manually to your clients. Now imagine never having to do that again. Your client books a call, they instantly receive a Zoom link, your calendar is updated, and you didn't even lift a finger. So in today's video, we are diving into one of the most powerful automation you can set up, where we make FluentBooking do the heavy lifting for your business. We are unlocking a workflow upgrade that anyone offering virtual experiences will love. So this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to connect Zoom to your FluentBooking system. So you can start accepting automated Zoom appointments straight from your WordPress site without missing a beat. Okay, so before we dive into the actual integration process, there are just a couple of things you'll need to have in place. So first, make sure that your FluentBooking Pro is installed and activated on your WordPress website. And then second, you need to have a Zoom account that gives you access to the Zoom app marketplace. So if you haven't created one yet, don't worry, just head over to the Zoom marketplace. From there, you need to sign up for free. This account will allow you to create your very own Zoom app, which is essential for the integration. Okay, so once you have logged in into the Zoom app marketplace, so just navigate to the top. From the drop down here, you can see there is a build app. Click on build app. So you'll be presented with different app types. So from there, you can see there is General app, server to servers, OAuth app, and webhook only app. So from there, I just choose server to server OAuth because this is the app type FluentBooking requires to establish a secure connection with your Zoom account. Just hit create. Give your Zoom app a recognizable name so you can easily identify it later. Just hit create. So after clicking create, you'll be taken to a page that display your app credentials, but hold off on copying them just yet. Before you can use these credentials, you need to provide some additional information. For the additional information, just click information, and here as you can see, there is some basic information available. You need to provide short description, your company name, there is some developer contact information. So I'm giving one by one. So once that's done, my basic information, as you can see, I'm just hit continue. In the feature section here, you don't need to make any changes. So just move on to the scopes. Okay, so the next and most critical step to setting up the scopes, because in the Zoom integration with FluentBooking, selecting scopes, the permissions is crucial because they determine what actions the integrations can perform on your behalf within Zoom. So these scopes grant FluentBooking the necessary authorization to create, manage, and retrieve Zoom meetings related to your bookings. Okay, so just from the scopes, just click add scopes. So for this integration, you will only need 2 scopes. So just head over to the meetings first. From the meeting, just view and manage all user meetings. So from there, we're going to select 3 scopes one by one. So first I will select delete a meeting and then update a meeting. And the last one will be create a meeting for a user. So just hit done. Okay, so again click on the add scopes and under the user select view all user information. Okay, so from there I just need to select view a user. Okay, so just hit done. As I said earlier, these scopes allow FluentBooking to manage Zoom meetings on your behalf, so this will work like that way. Okay, so after you have added these scopes, just proceed to the activation. So before activation, I'll just hit continue. Here as you can see, this is the activate your app. So I'll just hit create, activate your app, and the message says that congratulations, your app is now activated on the account. Okay, so now your Zoom app is live and your credentials, as you can see, here is the credentials, your account ID, your client ID, and client secret are ready for the use. Okay, so just return to your WordPress dashboard and head over to the settings. Here you can find the Zoom integration. So you'll find the button that says connect Zoom account. So click on it and a form will appear asking for your account ID, your client ID, and client secret. The credential I have just created in my Zoom app. So I'll just go to the Zoom app and just copy the account ID and I will paste it in there. So here's my client ID. So I will paste it in the client ID. and the Zoom app secret key. So it is my Zoom app secret key. I'll just copy it and paste it in there. Okay, so just need to save and validate credentials. Okay, so Zoom credentials has been validated and saved securely. Okay, so Zoom is now successfully integrated with FluentBooking. From now on, whenever you create a booking in FluentBooking, you'll have the option to select Zoom as your meeting location. So this triggers FluentBooking to automatically generate a unique Zoom meeting link for each scheduled appointment. So let's take a moment to see how this works in practice. Say you are offering a virtual strategy sessions or online onboarding calls. So let me create a booking calendar first. I'll head over to the calendars, and from the calendars, as you can see, some of my calendars are already ready, but I'm going to add a new calendar for this. You can either choose one-to-one or group, as we have many videos on the booking type, so you can search on our channel and get your insights. Okay, so as of now, I'm going to select one-to-one, and I'm going to give a calendar name. So as you can see, here is my description. I just need to paste it in there. Okay, so meeting duration by default 45 minutes, and the very important part, I look for the meeting location. So select the Zoom video. So just hit save changes. I'll quickly go to the availability section. If you watched our previous video, you can understand all of this functionality. Okay, so everything is okay now for this calendar. I'll just go to the limits. I'll take buffer time as 10 minutes, and after events, obviously 10 minutes. Minimum notice time is okay. Everything is fine. I think I don't need anything else. So in the question settings, if you want any questions for your calendar, you just set it there, and just don't forget to save the changes. Okay, so in the email notifications, yes, definitely I will enable that the booking conversion email to attendee, because whenever my client will book to my session, they will automatically send an email notifications along with the Zoom link. So that means I don't need to go to the Zoom account and generate a link and then send to them. So there is no back and forth. So the same goes for you. You will receive all the appointment details and Zoom link in your dashboard and inbox. This means no more manual meeting creation, no need to copy and paste links, and no chance of forgetting to send out invitations. Everything is done for you behind the scenes. So you can also redirect users to thank you page or offer a discount code after booking. This is great for upselling or simply showing appreciation to your clients. And if you use Google Calendar, make sure to integrate that as well to keep everything synced and streamlined. If you haven't watched our video on how to sync Google Calendar to your booking calendar, then it's time to watch this video, and we have a separate video on our channel. So that's all for today, and I'm pretty sure you can now integrate Zoom with FluentBooking, the ultimate combo for managing your online appointments with ease. So no more juggling links, double bookings, or frantic last-minute emails. So just smooth, seamless scheduling that works for you day in and day out. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with any question you have about FluentBooking or Zoom integrations. We love hearing from you, and we are always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.